We are 3 days in to striking poses for exercise. Today, I'm inspired by cheerleading. So I did a bit of Google research and looked up some basic poses which I slightly modified for your ease. We always should be cheering for ourselves and others as well. Let's begin a low intensity interval training where we cheer pose for 45 seconds, rest in 15 for 5 rounds. So let's cheer in minutes. The cheerleading begins in 15 seconds. Okay, bring your elbows up horizontally to the ground, fist on your collarbone, and we're going to open up and make the letter T. Bring it back. We're going to keep it nice and simple, just with one arm movement. And go. Think about something you want to cheer for in your life, because positivity is good. Remember to breathe. And we're halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're going to step the right foot forward and punch the sky with our right hand. With our left hand, we're going to put our hands on our hips and we're going to bring it back. We're going to do it the same on the other side. We're going to begin with our right hand. 2, 1, right foot up, punch the sky, bring it back. Left foot forward, punch the sky, and remember to put your hand on your hip. Don't forget, like I did. Remembering to breathe. Fifteen more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're going to pull a bow and arrow. So turn your body sideways. Pull your right, let go. Now we're going to do the same. Pull your left, let go. You can have your arms outstretched or bent. It's up to you. And we can begin on the left side. Left out to the side, draw the arrow back, let go. Now do it the other way. We're going to shoot our goals down and nail them in the head. You can also make sound effects for what I'm doing with my breath as well. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. We're going to do something similar to the second one, but we're going to punch down and raise our leg in the air, like so. Repeat what I'm doing in 2, 1, starting with the right. Remembering to breathe. We're a little bit past the halfway point now. Five more seconds. And relax. Now what we're gonna do is sparkle fingers. So arms, elbows up, arms up, making sure your bottom arm is horizontal with the ground, and we're just going to sparkle our fingers just like that. And sparkle fingers. We're going to really focus on our wrist. Your forearms may get tired because I can already feel it right now. Woo! Standing nice up and straight. Don't let yourself slouch like I just did or lean back too far. Halfway there. If you're feeling the struggle like I am, join the party. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I lost my tempo just a little bit with my forearms. Feel that pump. Okay, hope you enjoyed that one. Just an introduction to what I think cheerleading is like. I definitely looked unco, I felt unco, but that's not what matters. Every workout doesn't have to be perfect. Anyway, if you enjoyed that, or if not, leave an opinion behind in the comments below and hit the like button for me anyway. I would love you to do so. Sorry for being selfish. Hit the subscribe button for more workout videos. Before you go, if you feel like you can do more, check out my previous content or future content to do some more exercise. Bye for now.